Tired of your girlfriend talking about Chad? Is your marriage on the rocks? Trying to ask out that girl from work for the 5th time? Solve all your Valentine's problems by making this 3-course dinner. Stay till the end to find out what the mystery dessert is. Unwrap your steaks and dry them with a paper towel. Make sure to only use the finest cuts of beef from the store. Then we're also going to want to salt both sides and let sit for an hour. Get a salad bowl ready and prepare to wash and toss your salad. Add your baby spinach, apple, feta, hopes and dreams, walnuts, and let sit. Now to make a dressing, add olive oil, balsamic, mustard, garlic, honey, salt, and stir to combine. After, we're going to add the dressing to our salad and thoroughly mix. We've completed our first course of this dinner. Now for our mystery dessert, we're going to put bittersweet, dark chocolate, and butter in the microwave until fully incorporated. Next, use another bowl to mix some dry ingredients of powdered sugar, flour, and salt. Then adding an egg and egg yolk mixture, stir to incorporate. After that is stirred, we're going to bring it back and incorporate those ingredients into our chocolate mixture. We're going to fold until we get a consistent brown color into our mixture. After that's mixed, we're going to grease a cupcake pan because I'm not buying a ramekin for a lava cake. Dust the outside bit with cocoa powder, and then we're going to fill each cupcake with the batter and set aside for later. This will be for our last dessert course, and just a warning, make this at your own risk. I'm never taking viewer suggestions again. For our main course, we will be making a side of Yukon Gold mashed potatoes. Add the potatoes to a pot and bring to a boil. On another burner, we're going to add some oil to a cast iron and get it ripping hot. Now we're going to place our thick meat in the pan, and we're going to be using a method of flipping every minute contrary to popular belief. I found this technique online and I wanted to try and share it with you guys today. Every minute we flip and a nice brown crust will gradually appear. Now add butter and aromatics. To supplement flipping often, we will be butter basting our steak to ensure an even cook. I'm shooting for medium to medium rare. While the steak continues to get browner and browner, I just wanted to point out that the vast majority of my subscribers are getting some this Valentine's Day. So if you're concerned about getting some, I recommend you like and subscribe this video to increase your odds. Again, keep making sure that you butter baste as we still want that consistent juicy steak. I temp the steaks at about 130 and I'm going to take it off the heat because I'm shooting for medium to medium rare. Steaks continue to cook after being off the pan for about 5 to 10 minutes. Since I'm a sauce gremlin, I'll be deglazing the fond with beef broth. Don't use an oven glove. Be a man. Since I have haters now, I just wanted to prove a point. Oh, Ricky, you'll never get medium to medium rare using that method. Well, after this was done cooking and taking off, look at that. I just wanted to say that. Look at that. Anyway, on to the next step. Time to check on the potatoes. We're going to insert our fork into a potato. If it comes out clean, we're good. Yeet. Yeet. Add some milk, and we're going to mash these potatoes. I like keeping the skin on because you could feel like you ate healthier since there's a little bit of fiber. It's looking a little dry, so I'm just going to add a bit more milk. Don't forget to add salt. Now that that's done, let's move to plating. Our first course, we have our apple feta salad with a balsamic vinaigrette. Our second course, we have a medium steak with some fancy potatoes. Make sure to add some of that sauce on your potatoes and steak. And lastly, our mystery dessert. Those lava cakes we made earlier, put them in the oven at 425 for about 10 minutes. Oh crap! It's ruined! Not again. Chad can make lava cakes. Not again. Chad is better than you. I'm going back to Chad.